Oh, she's out of the zipping pass to begin, moving upon the outside, Yellowstein. Down on the inside is Ikaw Ha, alongside Hold That Cat. Tibay ng loob and trails the field is Classic Class. And going along for the first turn, we have the zipping by about 4 lengths. Ikaw Ha in second, alongside third is Yellowstein. 2 lengths moving up now to take fourth, Tibay ng loob. And Hold That Cat second last, and Classic Class. And that's still the zipping by about 4 lengths. Ikaw Ha remains in second, Yellowstein alongside third. Tibay ng loob, down on the inside, Hold That Cat, and Classic Class. And that's still the zipping by about 5 lengths. Ikaw Ha remains in second, alongside third, Tibay ng loob. Yellowstein is racing in fourth, Hold That Cat, and Classic Class. And that's still deceiving by about 6 lengths. Moving up now on the outside, to take second is Yellowstein. Down on the inside, Ikaw Ha as they come down at the last 150. Deceiving by about 4 lengths. Moving up now to take second is Yellowstein. Ikaw Ha, deceiving Yellowstein. Ikaw Ha. And finally, deceiving Yellowstein. Ikaw Ha. Then comes Tibay ng loob, Hold That Cat, and Classic Class.
Siya rin yung nalamado, deceiving.